Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're going to look at two things. One, Bitcoin's price, because it has fallen not drastically, but has fallen down from the pattern we mentioned in the last video. So that's awesome if you guys decided to act on that pattern. So we're going to look at the new updated price targets for Bitcoin. And the second thing is we're going to look at the Meta stock price, because if you guys haven't heard already, around 450 million WhatsApp accounts have been leaked, and this could cause severe damage on the Meta stock price. But before continuing this video, make sure to hold on. I'm gonna show this. Make sure to like and subscribe, because it helps a lot with the algorithm, and it's completely for free, and it would be supporting me, of course. So yeah, make sure to like and subscribe the videos. So now oh, that's just the printer. Never mind. So now we can jump into the price of Bitcoin. Again, age is just a number, but so is Bitcoin's price. Again, that's the catchphrase we're coming along with the channel now. Okay, so this is what Bitcoin looks like. And God, that sound, beeping sound, I don't know if you can hear it. That's annoying. But this is Bitcoin on the 4 hourly. And as you can see, we have broken down from this pattern that we mentioned in the last video. However, I did not want to FOMO into this trade. Also, we saw the Bollinger Band squeezing, and we know that whenever the Bollinger Band squeezes, we can see a move drastically to the upside or to the downside, which in this case we have seen to the downside. And also, it's good to note that we were not able to get past the EMA ribbons, causing us to move downwards. Now, if we look at volume is pretty red in the 4 hourly. We're also seeing MACD coming down, so is the stochastic. The second thing we can see is that we're seeing a bear flag forming, so a bearish continuation pattern forming for Bitcoin right now. So if we just do this, following the wicks, and like so, we can see a bearish continuation pattern, and we are likely to break to the downside according to TA. And the next point that I would put my order, if I were to open one, would be, if I can just find my box that I can hold on, where is the box? That is not it. That is not it either. It's fine, you know what, doesn't matter. Okay, there it is. Okay, so this is the next big resistance that I see on the 4 hourly that I could open a hold on, if we just move it upwards a bit and jump to the daily, I'll get a better resistance. So of course we have huge resistance in this area, but on the daily this is not really clear. But on the 4 hourly we can see that the wicks, if we zoom out, yeah, we have a lot of wicks touching this area. We could even extend this a bit more. Relatively this would be the most accurate. If I were to do it, we see that the $15,630 is a very critical area, and yeah, this would be the realistic support for Bitcoin. We can see a lot here. So this would be around the range that I would be looking at to open a short to. I think the most severe resistance will be exactly here at $16,000. So why not go ahead and put a trade? But remember, make sure to do risk management, right? This is nothing in this video is financial advice, just my own opinion only. Make sure to do your own research before trading or investing. But what I like to do is I like to do risk management. So we started off with a $1,000 demo trading challenge, and we can only allocate 10% of our portfolio per trade. And in that trade, we can only lose a maximum of 20% on that trade. So we can adjust our leverage to that stop loss. Therefore, if the trade ends up going bad, then we only lose 2% of our portfolio. Now, this isn't a very aggressive trading style, but it could cause you to miss out or whatever. But the aim of the game in trading is to make money and not to time the market. So this is kind of a safer risk management way, in my opinion. So that's what we're applying in the trading system we have in the channel. So now we're going to open a short. It looks like Bitcoin is pulling back, but if we break this $16,140, what I'm planning on doing is, if we have a look at the funding rates are negative, meaning it's a good time to long, but I don't think, I mean, this is a bearish continuation pattern. We could break to the upside, potentially. That's a possibility, of course. But if we do break this lower resistance here at $16,140, we go to isolated, we go to trigger order, and trigger, boom. In the last video, we couldn't open a trade because it was stuck on trailing stop. That's what kept us from opening a trade. But $16,150, $40 is where we will put the trigger price, market order. This is our funding record, by the way. I'm going to be completely transparent with you guys. This was a very good trade. The last couple trades were, I can admit it was a bit rushed, but it's fine. Aim of the game is to make money, and currently we're at a plus, so that's awesome. So right now, wow, okay, Bitcoin is pumping. I think the stock market just opened. Yes, it did. So let's have a look at the S&P before we open a trade, because yeah, the S&P, wow, it did break. We opened with a significant gap on the stock market, especially on Meta. If we look, Meta is actually doing good. Wow. There was a lot of bearish news on Meta. If we have a look now, a set of 487 million WhatsApp phone numbers for sales. They were on sale on the dark web, and a sample indicates that the phone numbers are legit. And this is tweeted by CZ. In fact, yesterday, which is incredibly scary. So if you guys are on WhatsApp, make sure to stay safe. And Watcher Guru tweeted that Meta has been fined $277 million following 500 million user data leak, which is incredibly scary. And the S&P is looking very interesting. So is Meta. I mean, we would expect Meta to come down significantly here, but it has been forming a bull flag on the technical side. So we would expect it to break up on the technical side, but again, this is a pennant, so it could break both ways. So, you know, if you're trading Meta, you could be aware of these two resistance levels of $112 and $108 on the daily chart. So this is SPX, it's pumping. If we go back to BTC USD, I might not open this trade. I did not think we would pump today. But it looks like it is. But no, we're holding this resistance, so we'll go on with it anyways, because MACD, you know, we could be flipping here. The stochastic could be flipping to the bullish side in a couple of hours. But again, this is a bear flag, and I will put a trade in. It doesn't matter if it doesn't get executed, then it's fine. It's because it's a trigger order. So at $140, we're gonna do $110 because there's a $10 cost for some reason. Our take profit will be $1,600. We're gonna do 10x, $16,000. Sorry, my bad. Bitcoin, yeah, see, now it's coming back down. So our stop loss will be very tight. We're gonna do it at $16,200. I'm gonna do it at, so it's super tight, super tight. So with 10x leverage, we should be 100% fine. $16,200. Again, this is not a huge trade. This is a very like short-term trade, so it should be fine. So we're gonna do sell short and confirm, and boom, our position is set. And again, we have some previous orders just in case we break critical targets. So to see those targets, make sure to go back on the videos and have a look at them. But that is it for today's video. If you did like the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up. Again, helps a lot, and subscribe. And yeah, hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care, and see you soon. Bye bye.